Hello everyone, today we will be talking about MLA essay format. By the end of the screencast, you should be able to format your essay in MLA style. You should know how to format citations, both in-text citations and the works cited page that comes at the end of your paper. And at the end of this presentation, I will give you a resource to help you find more information about MLA style and citations. We will be using MLA in this class because it is an English class and that's what MLA is typically used for. Other classes use other styles. For example, most of the social sciences use APA. So if you're writing for another class, I would recommend checking with your teacher to see what style they want you to use. Let's get started. So when you open Word, this is what it looks like. These are the default settings. And the first thing you want to do is fix the spacing. So you go to no spacing, then you go to line spacing, click 2.0, MLA essays have double spacing. Then you would go over here to the font section. You would make your font 12 point and change the style to Times New Roman. You also want page numbers, so you would double click here at the top of your paper. Go to Insert, Page Number, top of the page, you want to click plane number 3, that's the one all the way to the right. And then you as the author would write your last name there, highlight it to make sure that it's the right font size and font type. Then you're here, you're ready to start typing, and the first thing you type is your heading. MLA format follows the me, you, we, date heading formats, where the me stands for me, the student, the you stands for you, the teacher, the we is the class that you're in, so like English 309, and the date is the date you wrote your essay. So your heading here would look something like this. Me, the student, you, the teacher, we, the class, and then the date. And then you center so that you can write your title, How to Read, that's our title. And then you would enter, go back to left justification, and you can start writing your essay. This is an idea of what the essay should look like once you finish your first paragraph. On to the works cited page. To start the works cited, you simply type the words works cited, center it, then you go down here, and you want your citations to have a hanging indent, so you would go up here to this hourglass looking thing. You would move it to the halfway point. Then you would take just the top half, move it, get that there. Just take the top half, move it back to the beginning, all the way back to the beginning. And that way, any citation that's over 2 lines will have a hanging indent. Now, if you were citing a book, which is what this screencast will show, then the first piece of information you want to know is the author's name. If we were working on Heart of Darkness, for example, the name we would want would be the last name first, that would be Conrad, and then we would want the first name, that is Joseph. So go to my works cited page, type Conrad, comma, Joseph, period. Next thing I need is the title, so I would do that in italics, Heart of Darkness, period. I would then unitalicize it, and the next thing I need is the publication information. So as you can see, this version of Heart of Darkness was published by Dover Publications. And then if I want the date, I would just flip open this copy of the book. Normally, the page that I'm looking for would be within the first couple pages of the book, right at the beginning. And it should look something like this. And that would be the date right there that I'm looking for, first published in 1990. So I would go back to my works cited, write Dover Publications, comma, 1990, period. And that's the end of that book citation. That's all I need for this particular citation. If I had more citations, I would organize these in alphabetical order by the author's name. If I wanted to do an in-text citation, I would put the quote down, parenthesis, and then I would write the author's last name and the page number that I found the quote on. So this quote comes from the 31st page of Conrad's book, Heart of Darkness. Of course, you can always cite more things than just printed books. You can cite articles, websites, blogs, and so on. So if you want to know how to cite those, I would recommend going to owl.purdue.edu, click on the MLA guide, then go down to MLA formatting and style guide, and this will give you all the information you need about the essay format, in-text citations, citing books, periodicals, electronic sources, and so on and so forth. This is an excellent resource if you have any questions about MLA citations. Thank you for listening and have a great day.